Hi, and welcome to a quick demo video that I put together for you to show you the Translate app in your OneLaunch desktop search application. So, as we all know, the world is full of countless beautiful languages, and many of us are often using multiple languages, learning other languages, and the use of translation apps is something that we really appreciate, sometimes on a day-to-day basis. So here at the OneLaunch Technologies team, we wanted to build a Translate app into our software. So along with all the other things we offer you for convenient daily access, translation could be one of those things as well. So first and foremost, where you can find the Translate app, please follow my mouse to the top left of your OneLaunch dock and click Additional Apps to open up the OneLaunch Apps library. So here, scroll bottom right and you'll find the Translate app here. Bottom right, just click it and immediately it pins to your OneLaunch dock. At that point, you can click the Translate app to open it up, and immediately you'll see the UI, the user interface for the Translate app in OneLaunch. So I've got mine currently set to translate from English to Italian, but you're able to click and to change to translate from any language at any point. Same thing on the to front. You can translate from any language to any language as well. So just select whatever translations from what language to what language that you want. And then from that point, very quickly, you can just type in your text. So always, of course, type in the text in the language that you're confident to translate from. In my case, that's English. So I'm going to say, hi, what would you like to eat tonight? That's what I'd like to translate into Italian to maybe text my friend who's here in Canada from Italy or whatever it might be. And then all I have to do at that point is click the blue button here that says translate. So at that point, we're choosing to use Google's translation services. They're free, and while they're not perfect, they're quite reputable and very good overall. So that's the website that we're choosing to open up in OneLaunch Chromium and to really help you access quickly and easily. So right away you can see in Google Translate, hi, what would you like to eat tonight? That I already typed into your OneLaunch Translation app. Ciao, cosa vorresti mangiare stasera? So that would be the Italian translation according to Google. So that's super handy. And again, from the drop downs, you're able to change to all sorts of different options here and to the from as well. Further, if you want to, so we just showed an example of translating text, but there's also options to translate entire documents that you can upload. So if you want to do that, simply click that option. Again, it's a Google Translate service, but now you can see that we're in a document section and you're able to browse your computer to upload documents. Going back to our app again, you're able to translate websites in entirety. So let's click that. Again, a Google Translate service. And then we could actually do our website, our OneLaunch.com website. So let's try that. Oops. OneLaunch.com. You can see I'm still set with English to Italian because, as a reminder, that's what my app is set to, English to Italian. And then I'm just going to click Translate. So right away that opens up our website with Google Translate, and you can see OneLaunch.com completely in Italian. So a super cool feature from Google that we help you get to from OneLaunch. And then if you log into a Google account, you're able to click through these options to see your history and your saved key phrases with Google Translate. So that is the Translate app in your OneLaunch Technologies desktop search app. We hope you enjoy it. We hope you appreciate it. And if you have any ideas on how we can improve it for you, please do reach out to support@onelaunch.com. Thank you very much for watching.